Welcome to my channel, BodyTalk. The brain initiates movement, interprets sensations, directs behavior, and regulates all body functions. It is the central processing unit that controls both conscious and unconscious functions, including respiration, heart rate, and thought, and emotion. Each of the three primary regions of the brainstem, cerebellum, and cerebrum, has a distinct role. Here's a closer look at how the brain works. 1. TOT processes that are aware and unconscious. Conscious. The brain controls free will behaviors like speech, movement, and judgment. Unconscious. In addition, it regulates autonomic processes including digestion, heart rate, breathing, and body temperature. Sensory input. Information from all five senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, and smells received and processed by the brain. Motor output, posture, balance, and movement are all initiated and coordinated by the brain. 2. Particular. Areas of the brain and how they work. Cerebrum. The largest region, the cerebrum, is in charge of higher-order processes like memory, emotion, learning, and thought. Cerebral cortex. The outermost layer that controls voluntary movement, language, and perception. Frontal lobe, linked to problem-solving logic and planning. The parietal lobe, it is responsible for processing sensory data. Temporal lobe, handles language, memory, and auditory information. The occipital lobe, it is responsible for processing visual information. Cerebellum, which is situated near the rear of the brain. It's essential for controlling posture, balance, and movement. Brainstem assists in controlling respiration, heart rate, and sleep by connecting the brain to the spinal cord. 3. Learning and memory. Both short-term and long-term information are stored and retrieved by the brain. Learning, it makes it easier to pick up new abilities and information. 4. Behavior and emotions. Emotions are processed and controlled by the brain, which affects behavior and mood. Behavior, it regulates responses, actions, and general patterns of behavior. The brain facilitates language and communication through voice and other forms of expression, which is one of its other primary functions. Stress response. Under stressful conditions, it sets off the fight-or-flight reaction. Hormone regulation. The brain's pituitary gland generates hormones that control a number of body processes. From the most basic reflexes to the most intricate thoughts and feelings, the brain essentially serves as the body's command center, coordinating all conscious and unconscious bodily functions. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more interesting videos like this.